Alright, you guys, I am in Dillard's, and look right here we have Day of the Dead. Day of the Dead decor. Let's see if I could get into some of these prices. $180 right here. This is solid wood, $180. So if you're looking for something really nice, I would spend the money for that. These two right here, I don't see a price, but they're actually really, really nice. You know how much they are?
$220 each.
$220. And just got the cross in here. These little mini ornaments. This is $50. They had a red one in Home Goods, so yeah. $8
for these.
8. Oh yeah, look at all this pretty stuff. These are 10. 10, and they're all gonna be $8. Let me bring this one up. They're 10. Let's find out how much. 10. This one's 10.
That's a nice one.
Okay. You know what I'm thinking of? You know, a scary movie. Ah. Yeah. I don't even know why I went there. I feel terrible. I don't know, because I feel like I don't know, I just feel weird. $45. The chili is $45. And you guys, they do, oh, look at that guy. He's new on top. They do have some Christmas up, but again, look at this, look at this tree. Look at the cross on it. $18. Look at this. I feel like turquoise is not real turquoise, but you know. Look at this one. What do we think about this version? That's actually kind of nice. Like a not a cartoon version.
Like the mural type of ones.
Yeah. I'm trying to find like the correct wordage so I don't offend anybody.
Yeah, it looks like the ones that people put on their vans and stuff.
Because I feel like no matter what you say on social media, everybody gets offended. Oh, look at the skulls. Yeah, I know. But I'm loving it. Oh, I like this one right here too.
Let's see how much that is.
I don't see it down here. And I like these little mini Day of the Dead stuff. 12. Ooh, look at this lady. That's really cool.
It's weird to see Day of the Dead in a tree.
You know what? I want to say I've never seen Day of the Dead here in Dillard's. No, never. So this is new for me. And then we have this again. Right?
Poinsettias.
But I feel like if
poinsettias are from Mexico anyway, aren't they?
you really need something like this, 180 did I say?
Yeah.
No. Yeah, 180. This is actually
really
worth it.
sturdy,
Yeah.
You could put this in a church. It's like
Yeah.
It's like so nicely made.
What do we have around here? Looks like towels. Here's all the towel prices. So again, they have Christmas and just a little variety right now. What is this one? Oops. Oh, it's a mouse pad. That's a fancy mouse pad. How much is that?
Funny.
I know somebody who would like this. $24.50. $24.50. So it looks like something for everybody, right? Looks like denim, but it's not.
Those coasters.
Yeah. I just feel like the mouse pads. You could probably even use this. I don't know.
Mini mouse pad. Can't move very well.
$2.54 card deck. So these are cards. They're playing cards. Okay.
You keep them on your belt.
Is this a bookmark? Yeah. So they still haven't set up like their whole gingerbread village, but I want to say this donut treat shop is gonna look new. So like this one down here is $130.
That's nice. I like their stuff.
I know.
Nice.
This is where I would spend money. You know, if I had like the extra money, I would. $219, I would. And I know a perfect place in our house to put these villages
One
along our
six-
stairs.
Oh,
We have
yeah.
that whole wall and that shelf,
That would be so
and it's
perfect.
always empty.
It's so perfect.
Oh, there's like the donut shops right there. Let me zoom in.
Wow, look at that Ferris wheel.
Oh yeah, you guys want to see the Ferris wheel?
don't
I
think
think
I'd
that's
put-
a display. I don't think it's on sale.
I don't think I'd put ornaments in it. I think I'd put like,
Bears?
yeah, maybe little bears in it. Something, yeah.
Is that actually for sale? I don't think so. But I do remember the lady telling me years ago that we could purchase the trees here. They cost a car.
Yeah, some of them were like, one of them was like 20 grand. So,
This one is a gingerbread one. Look at all the little gingerbread people. I'm pretty sure it does make noise. And this one's like the nutcracker.
I think the secret to their trees is the ribbons and the flowers that they stick in there. That's how you make them look great.
Oh no, what is that baby? He's all like, baby. Oh, it's a doll. I was like, he's holding out a baby.
Michael Jacksoning his baby. Oh no.
They
Didn't
got a
Britney do
Santa
that too?
weekend winking. Oh yeah, they're sending up here. Look at these large bells. And then here's a little bit for you. I will definitely be coming back and doing like a full-on walkthrough. This reminds me of like the Home Alone neighborhood.
Mm-hmm.
Their house. That one's cute. How much is this little guy? $49, so $50. This one's really cute. It is going to be 100. 100. It's like a big ice cream.
Like instead of like just like a simple porcelain one or plaster one, you know, like all the other houses that used to be like Department 56. Whenever it comes to gingerbread, I like this type of material because it just kind of looks neat.
Look at the Santa. And you know what? Somebody left me a comment like a couple weeks ago that they designed a house.
And the ornaments at
the
Hobby
ornaments.
Lobby, right? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Isn't that cool?
I hope it was like really your design that they took and not just like copy and paste, you know, because
They'll
they
rip you off.
because you know
Yeah.
retails they do that, you know what I mean?
Gosh, designers do that to each other.
Yeah.
You know,
Look at Steve Madden.
Marc Jacobs, we see that. are copies
Martha
of each other.
Stewart, yeah. 16 here. These are
Dupe
nice.
Each other. It's like, oh my god.
Oh gosh, see, and here's the tree, you guys. 2025 coming in hot.
See, I think that's what makes them look so good. The ornaments are huge, the ribbons are on it and all that stuff. I think that's how you make the tree look fancy. And they got a big fat tree like we like.
I know, I love a good fat tree.
And man,
Oh, this is
it's so
cute.
expensive,
I don't see a price for it.
though.
And we've got
Just
little
think
doggies.
about it. This one's $18. Could you imagine doing a whole tree with $18 ornaments?
That's what
breakable
makes it.
ones?
And they have this
Yeah.
cute gingerbread one.
Let's see how much he is.
And they put like these
This one's
picks.
16.
16? Yeah.
And the picks.
That's what makes the tree. And I'm loving these vintage stuff that they're having lately. Those are actually really, really cute. Then look at Santa. Hi. What am I? Gosh, their music here. I had to keep moving. Okay, look at, we have some angels here. This one is $89. 89. I love it. The garland. Beautiful, right?
Look at it. It's just like the
I
tree
know,
and
my mom.
ribbon, just like-
I just want the tree.
This is gonna be our third year. It's just so cool.
Look at that Santa. We got some bling in here. We got like a leopard. There's like a doggy with a top hat. Look how cute he is. 15. We have the bird and the flower. This bird is 18. Black ribbon. Yeah, let me pan out. Let me scoot back. But look, isn't it such a beauty? And it goes all the way on top. I love it. I love the first thing when you walk in a house and you see nothing but a big tree. I have stairs right there, so my tree kind of goes like in a different room, and I just have it like against the window. But you know how when you're driving in the neighborhood, you see people's trees in the window? Here we have these nutcracker candle stands. They're $35. And behind me, we got some fall. Like, look at these cute little critter friends right here. Like, look at that. Some fall Thanksgiving ideas. We got a cute porcupine and a fox. These are going to be $14. So $14 for that. I don't want to pick everything up here. Look at their cute little setup, right? The wreath, a little turkey pillow. $25 for that turkey pillow. And then I'm gonna just keep moving over here. Oh gosh, the bear.
No.
So cute. Cute, cute, cute. Let me walk around. Okay, if you've been watching my Home Goods video, and you guys go to Home Goods quite a bit, you know they have the style over there. The gold and like the beaded rim, silver. How much are they here? But I don't think it's by the same brand. You know what? I'm gonna check. 55 Pampa Bay. Is that okay? So when we go to Home Goods, let's check the brand. I never check the brand. I just know we've seen these. So yeah, don't want to touch.
Home Goods gets their stuff from really good stores too.
Yeah.
'Cause that's why they have like Catherine's
Look.
collection and stuff like that for Halloween, because they get them from some premium stores. So I wouldn't doubt if it is.
And then all the crystal here. There's like a music over there playing. Oh
I see
yeah.
stuff like this sometimes too.
Yep, yep.
Waterboard stuff.
I do find that in Home Goods. Some over here are 50% off. Alright, and back to Christmas over here. Look at all this cool stuff. Alright, you guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I will definitely be back because they're gonna move them around. I think I just never seen it this early here in Dillard's, so it is like really new for me. Look at this Grinch guy. Oh, it's like the mirror. And then Merry Christmas. That's funny. Oh, they have this in Walmart, I believe. Here's what it looks like. You got Max on the crane, and then he's up there. And then here, over here, he's like in the ladder going up with his Santa sack.
Oh, you get to see it more.
Yeah, there it goes. It's going down. And then look at this over here. So he's gonna climb up this ladder. I don't know how much this is, or if this is a display.
No, it's gotta be for sale.
Do you think? I don't know.
Yeah, they have them over here.
See, here it goes down. Oh, they do have it. How much is that?
I'm looking. Let me see. That's what the box looks like. You can hang it on your house. I feel like somebody destroyed it.
That's just so funny, right? $300 if you want this guy sliding up on a ladder. $300. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. I will be back, but it is peeping in. If you want to take a look in your Dillards, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one. Oh look, it's not working. Oh, here's the record. Too bad it doesn't spin.
Dashing through the snow.
So we have the Supremes, Nat King Cole, Silent Night, and Joy to the World in here. And this angel, I feel like I just saw this lady at Walmart. Is this the same one we saw at Walmart?
The fiber optic wings?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that is.
Oh, is this the black and white one? They have a tiny... I've never seen the black and white one. I want to see it out. So hopefully they do bring that out. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I haven't
look
seen
at
that
that.
one yet. Apartment 56.
Cool. Alright, you guys, please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one.